Look at it, man. Hey up guys, Dave here. I am attempting to write 41 songs in 41 days, but there's no song today, so I'm just making a video about failing. But I haven't really failed. I'll come to that in a moment. Mother half's birthday this weekend, and I'm taking us away to the seaside for a couple of days. And to be honest, I want to have a few days off. I don't think it'd be fair for me to sit down whilst we're away and just spend the entire time editing videos, because that's just not fair at all. The challenge itself is to write 41 songs in 41 days. But a little goal for myself is to make a video of the writing process every single day. And they're the videos you've been seeing. That's what's not coming out today. So the challenge itself, I haven't failed. But my own little goal of releasing a video about like the behind the scenes of writing a song every day, I suppose you could say I have failed. Fucking tripped up then, didn't I? So the thing is with this challenge is I never intended to like sit down, write a song, record a song, film a video and edit that video and release that video every single day. But I wanted there to be a video every day. So there have been days where I've wrote like, I think the maximum amount of songs I've written in a day so far has been 4. But the main time consuming thing about this challenge is the video editing. Like filming of a video and editing it can take just as long, if not twice as long sometimes, than it takes to actually write a song and record the song. Stab myself on the prickles. So in essence, all I'm saying is that I might have failed to make a video of the behind the scenes of writing the song every single day, but I am nowhere near failing this challenge, mate. I am loving every minute of it, I swear.
It might appear that these videos aren't doing very well just by looking at the numbers, but these videos feel like the videos that I want to be making. It feels like I'm actually reaching the right people, and the fact that people have reached out and told me that watching these videos has actually inspired them to write songs means the absolute world to me. So I just want to say to anyone who has been watching these videos in this series, thank you. It really means the world to me.
Tomorrow I think I might just give like a bit of an update video on how I think the challenge is going and just a few thoughts about it. So if you want to check out that video, I'll see you tomorrow.